What's up, guys? Welcome back to Let's Play Ratchet and Clank. So, I have a little bit of trouble going on. There was a little bit of trouble with the recording. For some reason it didn't record. So as soon as I found out, I did this. Yeah. So we did get a little shiny robot from that big lieutenant guy, if you remember him. He was like the boss guy in one of the So he gave us this, and let's go ahead and take a quick look at it.
Is your current occupation leaving a rotten taste in your mouth? Then you need to know about BTS, Blog Tactical Research Station. Hi, I'm Supreme Executive Chairman Trek, and we here at BTS are seeking motivated individuals to fill positions in these exciting careers. Grind boot tester, warhead assembly technician, mutant animal husbandry, robot repairman, suck cannon test dummy, and administrative assistant. So call BTS. Build our weapons while you build your future.
I'm calling BTS today.
Oop. Pretty nifty, right, guys? So as you saw, I did buy the Glove of Doom, probably one of my favorite weapons, other than the Rhino, of course. Let's go ahead and go to the space station, you know, get our little job application card, because I want some free grind boots. Now, there is a gold bolt on this level. Why did I say level? This map that we won't be able to get till a little bit later. We actually need an oxygen mask. Take a look out there. Them graphics, though. Pretty cool. So, and just fly over here. I always like doing this first. Don't know why.
This shuttle has an autopilot which will take you to a decommissioned
Yes,
lab.
I would like to go there.
Our scanners indicate that there may be useful technology on board.
For a second, I thought that we couldn't go there. I was like, no. I swear, so much of the one from Ratchet and Clank Up Your Arsenal, it, like the one that's in the swamp area in the water. Let's go this way. Do we have any? No weapons. YOLO it. Actually, yep. Wow, how did I fall for that? I'm so stupid. Nice, some glove ammo. This guy's my precious. Get on, my precious. Probably would have been better if I just used the bomb glove, but I like using precious because it's cute. Nice, some blaster ammo. Why did I just do that? That is why I love the Glove of Doom. And I hate those guys. I hate them. They got too much health. The big red button.
Thank you for selecting our automated self-destruct feature. Vessel annihilation sequence initiated. Please remove all personal belongings.
We gotta get out of here quick and grab me that shiny little robot. No. Bad.
Perhaps you didn't hear
That
me.
scared me.
This vessel will self-destruct. Boom. In a matter of seconds.
I know it'll go
Please
boom.
evacuate.
We just survived that, guys. Some scary stuff. So if you guys are enjoying this series so far, don't forget to slap that like button down there.
This is Darla Gratch reporting live from Blackwater City.
We've just learned that Captain Quark will be presenting the grand prize at the Intergalactic Hoverboard Championship, which will be held here over the next few days. In related news, this planet has recently been suffering from an infestation of strange amoeboid creatures. The city's administration has assured this reporter that every step has been taken to eradicate these nuisances.
Darla Gratch, Channel 2 News.
Signing off for the last time.
Yes, I hope that poor woman is all right.
She's fine, I think. I was talking about the hoverboard races.
I just wanted to hit that. So we're gonna go over here and get ourselves something. I'm sure this is the little Clank area. Why? Be here. I think that would do it. And this is 2. Did I get it? Nice. Nice. Time for Clank. I never really liked the little Clank things in this game. They're very bland. I mean, I guess in time, I guess that one's pretty cool because you got the cool staff thing. But like ratcheting or playing as just Clank in here, you know, it's kind of boring. And there's that gold boat I was telling you guys about. I just feel like you walk so slow and you got like 2 health. Give me 9 boxes. Give me all of them.
Jump, then press and hold the X button again while in the air to glide.
But I do like how they have the little robot things in here. I wonder who thought of that idea. Pretty cool. And bolts really do nothing when you're Clank. You can get like 100 boxes and it feels like it does nothing. Yep. I gotta go over that way. Fly, Clank. Should get another glance at that gold boat over there. We're gonna need Ratchet to get that. Definitely be getting that later. There it is. That gold boat. Come on, Clank. Go, 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 go. Clank in his hardcore parkour. Damn, that guy right there looks big. What he doesn't know is I've got some
You
minions.
have just activated a Gadget-Bot. To command a Gadget-Bot, hold down the triangle button and select Wait, Follow, Attack, or Enter.
I'm gonna lose one of these guys, aren't I? I'm definitely gonna lose one of these guys. How did I not lose one of those guys? If I did not lose any of them, I didn't lose any of them. I swear, I think it's the first time that it's ever happened. Ooh, what's this gadget? Don't mind if I do borrow it. Damn, Clank, how do you even fit that in your compartment? That thing's like 4 times your size, man.
The Gadgetron
Teach me the
Hydro Dispenser
ways.
uses Insta-Faucets and Insta-Drains. Using it, you can drain and fill pools. Our sensors do not detect any on this space station.
Ah, dang it. We can't use our thingy thing. thing. Whatever that's called. Hydro or something. Doesn't really matter. Hello, Ratchet.
I'm back.
So you are.
And I found this.
Ooh.
Hey, cool. It's a, what is it?
A hydro displacer.
Great. I always wanted one of those, I guess.
You're welcome, Ratchet. Let's go ahead and buy some ammo.
Hi there, Fuzzball.
Yep, we're gonna go ahead and buy the flamethrower as well. I'm not really gonna use that gun that much unless I really need to. It's mostly gonna be the blaster, and then the.
That's a real beauty.
Yep, we're buying it.
Did you know you can place any gadget or weapon on your quick select?
Yes. Yes, I did. Thank you for telling me. Go ahead and use our pyro gun, even though we're probably gonna die. Why? Wow. This pyro gun is really good on those guys. Dang.
Need a little help with these enemies?
Nah, I'm good. Actually, let's go ahead and put that on our hot bar. Switch it out with the hydro. Where's the taunter? There we go. What the heck? How did he kill himself? Did you guys see that? Well, actually, you didn't, because I didn't even see it. I just used my taunter and like it killed him. I wasn't even looking and I got the kill. That's professional. There's just a lot of bullets in here. We're gonna go ahead and get it. Let's see. That one? No. That one, yes. There we go. It's one of these little roach things. I don't even know which one to call them. They're high here. Got them all with one hit. Nice. Give me them bolts. How did that not kill me? Swing shot. Test out our pyro gun on this guy. It's okay. It's not great. It's gotta be quiet so they don't hear me. Not quiet, not quiet, not quiet. I love how they just like make sure that I'm pointing directly at the monster. It's as if they know that I have this gun. Me and that guy have like the same gun, kind of. In a way, a little bit.
I got some great bargains for you today.
Oops. No. Not like this. Glove of Doom. Precious, do me good. What am I doing? I don't even know. Knew there was something up here. There we go. Got ourselves another gold bolt, guys. And there's another one of those things that we're gonna eventually get. The thing that flies around is basically our bodyguard. Pretty cool. Wow, is that really one hit? Dang. I did not know that. Definitely been using that now, guys. You stupid thingy. Why you hit me like that? Time for the Glove of Doom. The best way to kill this guy, throw a crap ton of these guys. No, don't you dare hit me. The bomb glove, though. Wow. So one thing about this game is you cannot upgrade. Dang it, I know. But in like all the other ones you can. It's the one, probably the one thing that I don't really like. You need some help there, buddy? He's shaking his head. I guess he does not need any help. No, no, don't help me. Too bad.
Whew. Thought I was a goner this time.
I wanted the bolts.
Some nano-wit in genetics must have left the cages open again.
You could come down now.
Honestly, a gadget engineer deserves a bit more respect, if you ask me.
So, you are an inventor.
Gadget engineer. I create revolutionary devices for Executive Chairman Drek. For instance, the Ola.
Ooh,
My soon-to-be
fancy.
patented grind boots. Look, I need to get out of here so I can find a new job. How about I sell you these at cost?
Sell? After we just saved your scrawny butt?
All right. I'll give you the employee discount, too.
$2,000.
Well, thanks.
Employee
I'm
discount
gonna get
my
out of
butt.
here while I still can.
I should totally just steal my money back.
You've got
I'm just
Grind
joking, guys.
Boots.
Stealing is
Grind
bad.
boots let you travel on rails like this.
Unless
Just
they
jump
rip
onto
you
the rail
off.
and
Then
grind.
maybe. That's where I needed that health. What? No. You serious? Whew. That was scary. I'm grinding on a grind rail. Whoa ho ho. I'm grinding on a grind rail. Whoa ho ho. And it feels good. I'm a terrible singer, guys. I'm just gonna stop singing. Wee. Alrighty. Ending the episode off here. If you have any tips, tricks, or comments, put them in the comment section below. And I'll see you next time. Goodbye.